A very cheerful morning, happy morning to all my dear students. How are you? Fine and mast. We have started our completing our notes also. But मैम कभी बहुत सारा लिखने को मिलता है and we get tired. बेटा you should always go with cursive. You will gain speed. जल्दी जल्दी लिखना है ना और beautiful भी लिखना है. So you should always go with cursive. Okay? So are my dear students ready with their textbook? This workbook, cursive beats. We will be learning how to write in cursive. Okay my dear students? Yes my dear students, जैसे जैसे आप बड़े क्लासेस में जाएंगे तो आपको स्पीड गेन करना है बिकॉज आपको बड़े बड़े आंसर्स लिखने हैं, क्वेश्चंस लिखने हैं, बड़े बड़े शॉर्ट नोट्स लिखने हैं. सो यू शुड गेन स्पीड और उसके लिए हमें क्या चाहिए? येस, वी शुड ऑलवेज गो विथ कर्सिव. So ma'am will teach you how to write a cursive in a very beautiful way. Okay? Yes. First of all, open your page number 2. Okay? See how am I writing? India is the land of villages. India. This is the correct way to write? No. So this is the wrong way to write. ऐसे नहीं लिखते हैं कभी भी. Okay? We will go in another way. कैसे लिखना है आपको? In a very nice and a beautiful way. But it should be a correct way. India is the land of villages. Come on, tell me, मैंने कहाँ मिस्टेक किया? Yes, I have committed the mistake. You see, have I written it properly? No. India? No. Once again, we will write. See how it is written in your textbook, in your workbook? Yes. India is the land of villages. Touch the line and write. India is the, in this way, drag the pencil properly, the land. Okay, of villages. See, but the LL and I should touch the line. Once again we will write the spelling of villages. Villages. Okay. See, it is proper or how we will write? O, फिर F को ऐसे करके and ऐसे. Okay, got it? It is right? No. Once again we will write this sentence. आपको प्रैक्टिस करना है बार बार. India. IS is the land. And how you will write now? O and F will go in this way. Okay? My dear students, note that half of the portion of F will come down in this way. Okay? O, F in this way. Okay? And villages is the proper way to write. This is the proper way to write villages. Again, I will write for you. LLAGES. Got it? अच्छा लगा ना? Very nice. आप लिखेंगे ना तो और भी अच्छा लगेगा. You will gain interest also. Okay? और आगे चलते हैं. And farmers. And how you will write? A D. Again, farmers. Half of the portion came down. Got it? मजा आया? Who are the soul? Again, you have to touch the line. Who are soul of the country? Who are the... This is the correct way? No. See, in this way you will be writing the soul of country, of country, country. Okay, so in this way you will practice with sentences in your cursive book, page number 2 and 3. If you have any problem, you can call your ma'am and we will be doing this again and again. And do send me the photo shot also. Have a great time. God bless you, my dear students.